Hi there, let's just jump straight into it and remove this power socket, or it looks like a TV socket, from the wall. I'm just using the patch tool now, and I find I just get inconsistent results with the patch tool. I lose texture, so I'm going to use my tested method that I can rely on every time, and that is using sampling the wall with the magnetic lasso tool, feathering it around 100 or 80 to 100, layer by a copy, click on that layer and bring it down and cover those power points. Adjusting now with the gradient of the light and how the light is getting darker at the bottom of the image, possibly also some vignetting. I've got to use a curves adjustment layer. Make sure I clip that, so I'm only impacting on that layer that we created, and I just drag the curves down. Fine tune it to where you find that you like it and it's sitting nicely. Also, I run an action that I've created to smooth out the wall just a little bit more and remove the darker spots to present a beautiful image for my client, so she can give those images edited to her client before and after.